Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll be teaching a very simple topic. I'll be teaching you chain rule in calculus. I'll be solving these simple questions. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, let's take the first question. Y is equal to 3x squared plus what? 5. Right? Raised to the power 7. Now, if you are given this kind of question, it's very simple stuff. First, the inside the bracket, let u equal to what? Equate the inside the bracket to what? A particular what? Alphabet. You can use u or any alphabet. So let u equal to what? 3s squared plus what? 5. Now, here is now equal to what? U. So we now have u raised to power what? 7. Now, what you need to do is this. Differentiate this. Then differentiate inside. Use the answer of the differentiated inside to what? Multiply this. I'll do that now. How do I differentiate this? 7 what? U raised to power 6. You know that to differentiate this, we multiply this, and you now have this 7. Then you bring the u, then you subtract 1 from this, you have this. This is also equal to what? 7. What is u? U is what? 3x squared plus what? 5 raised to power what? 6. So we are done with this. Now differentiate this. You now differentiate inside the bracket. If you differentiate 3s squared, what will you have? You have 6 what? S what? Square. How do you do that? Use these 2 to multiply 3, you have 6. Bring down what? The x, then subtract 1 from this, you have, subtract 1 from 2, you have what? 1. So you have 6x raised to power what? 1. Now note that. Now, 6x raised to power 1 is the same thing as 6x. You have differentiated this is your answer. You've differentiated the interior, this is your answer. So just use this to multiply this, and that is your answer. So how do I do that? Use 6 to multiply what? This. You now have, let's take this out. 7 bracket 3x squared plus what? 5 raised to power 6 times what? 6 what? X. And your answer automatically, if you use the 6x to multiply this, you now have 42x bracket 3x squared plus what? 5 raised to power 6. So this is the answer. It's a very simple mathematics. Differentiate, equate this to a particular alphabet. So you now have the alphabet raised to power 7. Now differentiate this, you have this. The u, you know that u is this, so you put the value of u there. You have your answer here. Differentiate inside, you have this. If you differentiate this, you have this. Just use this one to multiply that, and that's what we have here. So the second one, you still follow the same pattern. Y is equals to what? Sine bracket 5x squared minus 3 what? X. Now you are being asked the first thing again. Let's equate inside. So let's say let b is equal to what? 5x squared minus 3 what? X. So we'll now have b. We now have sine b. So if you now differentiate, just we will have this. If you differentiate this one, what will you get? You get cos b. And cos b is equal to what? Is equal to what? Cos bracket b. What is b? B is this. 5x squared minus 3x. Alright? So we have differentiated what? This. You now differentiate inside the bracket. Alright? So if I want to differentiate this, what will I get? If I differentiate 5s squared, what will I get? I'll have 10x. These two will multiply 5. You have 10. Bring down what? The x. Then subtract 1. What about minus? What about if you differentiate 3x? You have what? 3. So what will I now do? This, I'll use this to multiply this. So we now have cos bracket 5x squared minus 3x times 10x minus what? 3. Now, once you have this, what you just need to do is simple. This one can also be rewritten as this: 10x minus 3 cos, let's put this in bracket, cos, or you can put this in bracket, 10x minus 3 cos bracket 5x square minus what? 3 what? X. So this is the answer. It's a very simple, because I just move this to what? The beginning part of it and put it in brackets. So that's it. So it's a very simple concept. So let's differentiate what this. All right. Y is equal to what? Exponential bracket 2x square plus what? X. Now, how do you differentiate this? This one actually involves exponential. So let's equate this. Let A is equal to what? 2x squared plus what? X. So we now have exponential what? A. Remember, whenever you differentiate exponential, if you find the dy dx of any exponential, it's still the same thing. So if you differentiate it, you also have what? Exponential raised to power what? A. So let's now differentiate this. If you differentiate this, which is the bracket, this bracket, if you differentiate it, if you differentiate 2x squared, what will it give you? To give you 4 what? X. If you differentiate x, you have what? 1. So let's now use this to multiply this. This one is also equal to what? E 2x, let me put it in bracket, square plus what? X. So we are going to use this to multiply what? This. What will it give us? If you use this to multiply this, you have 4x plus 1 bracket e 2x squared plus what? X. So this is the answer. It's a very simple mathematics. Now the last one is what? Y. I will give you this as assignment, but I will direct you how to solve it. All right? So 4x raised to power 3 minus 2x plus what? 1. This is the same thing as what? 4x raised to power 3 minus 2x plus 1 raised to power what? 1 all over what? 2. So you can now make this interior as what? U, or as any alphabet. Then you now differentiate, let's say alphabet U raised to power half. You differentiate this, and you multiply. So complete the calculation and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.